Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to service it. It's getting very hot. Okay, it's overheating, very hot. I know because the laptop is too dirty. Okay, it's very good to service your laptop at least every 1 year or 6 months, like that. Because like if you don't service it and you're just using it like that, that one can might cause your laptop not to display, can spoil the graphic card. Okay, so I'm coming to service this laptop, so the laptop will stop overheating. It's getting very hot down here. Okay, so you take out all the screw first. Take out all the four screw. This laptop have four screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. After I take out all the four screw, this one is clip. You have to open the clip. Just open it like this. It's clip right round. Okay. No need to scared. Just be careful you don't scratch the laptop that much. Okay. Just open the clip right around the laptop. Okay. Open the clip. Take out this cover. Okay. Now you need to remove the heatsink. Okay. Lose all these four screw. Remove the heatsink to change the processor paste. Okay. Before you do that, first disconnect the battery. Remove the battery. Sometimes the processor paste become very dry. It causes the laptop to become very hot. Okay, so you have to open it and open the zinc and clean it a bit and remove the processor paste and apply a new one. Okay, so the laptop will stop overheating. Should take out all the battery screw. Disconnect the battery first. Okay, just turn it over like this. Then remove this four screw. Remove this head zinc. Okay. After you remove the four screw, you remove the heat zinc. So become very dry. It can cause laptop to overheat. Okay, just use brush and clean this side. Clean all the dust. Okay, after you clean it, then you clean the processor paste. This one, make sure you clean everything very nice. Clean the one on top here. Apply a new one. Okay, you clean this side very nice. Clean it very nice. Okay, and clean this one also. After you clean it very nice, you clean the processor paste. You apply a new one. Okay, then you put back the heat zinc. Put back the first screw you take out. Make sure you place all the four screw. Okay. Okay. After you place all the screw, very nice, you put the battery. Okay. Fix it very nice. Replace all the screw back you take out from the battery. Don't leave any screw. Very important. Make sure you place all the screw you take out. Okay. After you place all the screw, you put the cover. Put it straight and fix all the clip back before you put the screw. Make sure you press it very hard so the clip all will fix properly. Okay. Then you replace all the screw you take out. Don't forget the two big screws at the back and the small one at the front. Make sure you replace all the screw take out, okay? After you close the laptop, everything on the laptop. Okay, as you can see, laptop is on. Okay, now the laptop is not getting hot that much again. Everything is fine. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.